Hello guys, welcome back to SH Coding. In today's video, we are going to discuss the remaining operators in C. In the previous video, we have discussed about arithmetic operator, relational operator, and logical operator. In this video, we are going to discuss about the remaining operators in C. Let us create another file, operator 1.c. Okay. The first operator that we are going to discuss, that is the fourth operator, assignment operator. Okay. Okay. What are the operators that come under this assignment operator is? Firstly, equals to, plus equals to, minus equals to, and multiply equals to, divide equals to, and as well as the percentage equals to will also come under this operator. Okay, what actually this is meant for? Okay, let us discuss in detail. Hash yes. Let us consider some a is equals to 8. Let us consider like that. Some value of a is 8. If we write a plus is equals to first of 5, if we have written like this, the output of this a will be a is equals to 13. Why we have got 13? Here what is meant by a plus is equals to 5 means a is equals to a plus 5. A plus is equals to 5 means a is equals to a plus 5. Okay. Similarly, it is same for this subtraction, multiplication, and division as well. A minus as equals to 5 means we will get an output as a 3 because a is equals to a minus 5. Okay, like that it is common for multiplication, division, and percentage as well. That is the remainder. Okay, simple. There will be nothing that is difficult in percentage as well. Is equals to 5 we have written means a is equals to a percent 5. That is nothing than that thing that 8 by 5, that is 3 only now. Okay, let us perform some program for it. Control flash. Let us perform some program. Okay, I don't want to waste your precious time. I have explained in detail how actually a plus is equals to 5 works. Here is the program related to it. I have declared a variable a and asked the user to enter the value of a. Now the following operations are being performed. We can directly write here, or otherwise you can place it over here, and then you can place here simply the a. Then it also been worked as it is the value of a. A plus is equals to 5 means a is equals to a plus 5 only, no? Then we can directly write as a. Okay, but it is more efficient. Okay, it is more efficient, so I don't want to change it. Let us run the program. He asked the value. I have given 10. Before this, one thing I have to do, alt flash and okay, save the program and run the program. He asked the value, that is 10, and if we add 5 to the 10, it is 15. Here something went wrong, man. A is equals to A minus 5 now. We have given 10. Then why it is performing like that? A into it has been performed well. A divided by 5. Wait a minute. Yeah, I now I understand. Actually, we have given 10 now. Now the 10 has been at every value has been assigned in A only, no? When A is equals to 10 we have given initially, but when it became 15, now the A value is 15. Now A is equals to A minus 5 means A is equals to 15 minus 5. That is the reason we have get 10. Now the A value is 10. Okay. Now this A value 10 is multiplied by 5. That is 50. Now the A value is 50. Now A is equals to A divided by 5 means 50 divided by 5. That is we have got 10. Now the A value is 10. Now 10% 5 means there will be no remainder now. That's why it is 0. Okay, I think you have got understand. Here the A input A is 10, whereas output A is how much? 15. Here the problem we have got because we have used the same variable, but it is actually the logic we can, it actually helps us. Let me make it simple for you. Okay, here the input is 15. That's why the output is 10. Here the input is 10. That's why output is 50. Here the input is 15. Because of that, the output is, I know, that is 10. Here the input is 10. That's why the output is 0. At last, when we printf %d and we have 100a, sorry, small a, save the program and run the program. Times it is showing error, man. We haven't keep semicolon. We have to take care of it. Okay, run the program. Oh, again U10. Here you can see. Lastly, at last we have printed the value of A. It has become 0. This is actually what how this arithmetic operator, sorry, assignment operator works. Okay. Next operator is increment decrement operator. Okay, it is also same like this only, but somewhat differ. Let me explain. Control. Control flash. Okay, that is increment and decrement operator. Okay, increment and decrement operator. What are the operators actually come in this one? Double plus, minus minus, and another thing is that only these two only operators are. Okay, actually, so suppose you have taken the value of a again 10 only, it is simpler to understand. If you have written a plus plus, you have written. Ultimately, now the a value will be 11. What actually a plus plus will do? A plus plus will do a is equals to a plus 1. Sorry, a is equals to a plus 1. A plus plus means it is actually a plus 1. Okay. Uh, Wait a minute. Okay, better it will be better if we use another variable. Okay, let me show you actually how it is. For suppose you have given b as a 10 and A as 10 and B is equals to plus plus A and B is equals to A plus plus, B is equals to minus minus A, B is equals to A minus minus, B is equals to A minus minus. Okay. Now actually how these works? B is equals to plus plus A, B is equals to A plus plus. For suppose when if we print here the values of A and B, if we have print, then we will get an output of A is equals to output. Okay. A is equals to ultimately as the operator is being given to this A, ultimately the A will be affected. Plus plus A means A plus 1 only. A plus plus means also A plus 1 only. Plus plus A also A plus 1 only. Ultimately it will results with A addition of 1. But what makes the difference means here B is equals to plus plus A we have written no. Now the B will store the value of 11. But whereas coming over here, okay, coming over here, A value will be 11 only. But B value will become 10 only. Why actually the difference has been happened? Here B is taking the value of plus plus A after the addition of 1. But here the B is directly taking the value of A. Before the addition only it is taking. Okay. Here B is taking the value of A directly before the addition. But here it is was taking the value of A after the addition. You have to understand it clearly. Coming to here also. Here you can see A is equals to 10. It is a minus operator. No, it is 9. B is equals to minus minus A. That is after the subtraction, the B is storing its value of A. Here also A value is 9. But here B is storing the value of A, but before the subtraction. So it will be remains as 10 only. I think you guys have got a sort of idea on it. It is not that much extent difficult. B is equals to plus plus A means B will store the value after the adding of 1 to A. But B is equals to A plus plus means B will store the value of A before the addition. That's why B will remain as 10. Okay. This is about the increment operator. I will ask, do me a favor. I'm not going to show any sort of programs. I have given the example how actually it will function. Try it on your own. And if you have tried, try to keep in the comment section that you have did it and how actually you have did it. Copy paste the code. Okay. Next, coming to the third operator in this session. Okay. Next operator we are going to discuss is conditional operator. Okay. Conditional operator. What actually the operator that is come under this conditional operator? That is this question mark? Yeah. Question mark symbol and the symbol name is colon. Question mark and the colon. What actually this question mark and the colon? When we are studying it, our faculty has said that it is a special operator, but actually we will call it as a conditional operator. Okay, no problem. Yet ultimately, how to learn what it is, whether what the name we are using it is not mandatory. Okay, what is its functionality? So suppose we have given A and B values. Why am this A and B value I have given? Okay, now we have got two values and I have written that A is greater than B. No, my friend has said that no, B is greater than A. You are saying false. Now we both have been discussed for it a long time. Now we got a solution that. Now let us ask the system whether you are saying correct or I am saying correct. Okay, A greater than B I have written. If the condition is true, that is question mark. If the condition is true, it has to display A. If it is false, then it has to display B. If A is greater than B, if my statement is correct, then it has to display A. That is A is greater than B. A is the largest one. If my friend is correct, then it has to display B. Now, what actually it is going to do, I think you guys have got some sort of understanding. Here, A greater than B. If the condition is true, it will display this A value. If the condition is false, it will display this B value. Okay. Uh, we can simply say that if the simply that only A is greater than B means if it is true, if the condition is true, it will display A. Okay. If it else it is false means it will display B. Okay, let us see the program. Okay, it is same. We need a two variables, no? Here it is even one variable. Okay, let us copy it and paste it over here. Okay, remove this slashes, double slash. Okay, now let us add another variable B and we will add third variable for understanding purposes. We will store this value which has been obtained from this condition in that particular value. Enter A and B values. Here we have to write %d for sorry ampersand A ampersand B. Okay, we have check two times. Nice. Okay, now C is equals to A greater than B question mark. If the condition is true, display A colon B. Now it will check the condition. Now we have to enter C is %d. Now ultimately we will check who is correct. Either I am correct or my friend is correct. Okay, it's actually dependent on the user given input. Okay, save the program. Now let's run the program. Enter A and B values. 2, enter 6. Here you can see I am wrong and my friend is correct as it is being given by the users. Here it is directly appeared as 6. It is a sort of condition that you can directly check which is actually being correct. If for suppose you have here written A less than B, sorry, A less than B. Now save the program and run the program again. We have given 2 and 6 now in the previous one. We can give 2 and 6 only. Now C is 2 as the condition I have given is A less than B. Okay, this is actually how this conditional operator works. A, if this condition is true, it will return the value over here. If it is false, the value after the semicolon is being displayed. This is all about this increment decrement operators, assignment operators, and increment decrement operators, assignment operators, and conditional operators. And there is another operator that is binary operator, but as of now I'm not going to explain it. It is somewhat difficult for you as it is a beginner stage, but I will explain when the time appears. Okay, as of now this is all about this video. Thank you guys. If you feel the video is informative, please like the video and share with your friends and subscribe the channel for the upcoming videos, and also save the playlist. I am uploading the videos in very consistent order. Okay, please try to do it so. And another thing, I have asked you to perform this code increment and decrement operator. Try to ensure to do it. Okay guys, thank you. See you in the next video.